Okay, I'm done with this mileage test that I've been doing. So let me explain to you what I did. It's really simple. Basically, for the last 9 days, trips, nights, rides on my bike, I've done level 3 only, throttle only, unless you know how it is. Sometimes you just gotta pedal. Someone's giving you that stare down because you're going too fast. You want to fake it with a pedal. Or for me, sometimes the hill or the road is so steep that I need to get it in the pedal just to keep the mileage up, to keep the bike from coming to a complete stop or from losing too much speed. So I've kept my riding style consistent for this test. And the terrain around here, well, it's Park City. And I've been all the way from the top of Old Town at the south end up to I-80 and Kimball Junction or Pinebrook. So lots of elevation changes, asphalt, and some packed gravel roads. And here are my results from those 9 trips. So I'm looking at this as what I call MPBs, miles per bar. Your graph on the main display has got 9 bars. That's right, China screwed us out of 1, thinking we wouldn't catch it. In front of you, you see my results. On the left is the miles I rode. Next to that is the bars I used. And then I did some quick math for you. And those are the average miles per bar. Add up the 9 numbers on the right, divided by 9, and you get a 3.32 miles per bar. It's not real good. And then multiply that times 9 bars and you get 29.88 miles per battery. Yep, that's kind of piss poor, isn't it? So I took out the lowest number, which was a 2 miles per bar. That day I only rode 10 miles. And I took out one of the high numbers, which was the 383. And I don't have the math right in front of me, but it went to like basically 31 miles per battery. So at 29.88 or 31, let's just call it 30 for easy math. Now that I know this, I know that if I'm going to be going further or I got further to get back, I can adjust my riding style. Or if I'm really close to home and I really want to Yahoo it, put it in race mode and eat up the battery. No big deal, but this gives me a good baseline of what my range is. Now, everybody rides differently, so you should do the same thing. But I can almost promise you, if you look at my numbers up above, you could do 5 tests, all with the same metrics, level whatever, all throttle, no pedaling, or only pedaling in a certain gear, whatever it is. Keep it consistent, and that's going to give you your MPBs or battery range. What kind of range are you getting? What is your riding style? Please put it in the comments below, because people are going to go to the comments to see what everybody else is getting. Be honest, be truthful. There's no penis envy here that we need to worry about. It is what it is. We weigh differently, we ride differently, all that stuff. All right, man. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I see ya.